then drowned in the pain. Your touch was a fever my heart couldn't fight. Now all I have left is a shadow at night. Every heartbeat was burning for you. Now the ashes are all I can hold on to. Passion, it cut me like a blade, sweet and cruel. The promise we made, I read all the love that you threw away, and I'm still dying for you today. Your voice was a storm I could never forget. The taste of your lies still lingers, and yet I'm chained to the